My mother's birthday. My mother's birthday is on Thursday, March the 23rd. My brother, father, and I are going to plan a surprise party for my mother. The three of us hope that the weather will be nice for the birthday party. We are also going to invite some of my mother's other friends. We are thinking about 30 people will come. We hope my mother enjoys having everyone together. My brother, father, and I want to get her a new leather purse and a hat with a feather on it. We think she will like these things. After the party, we think Mum will get to enjoy all the new gifts.